Il y a in French. How to say there is and there are. Bonjour les amis. Welcome back to French Lesson Australia. Today we are going to master one of the most useful expressions in French. Il y a. It means there is or there are. Yes, one phrase for both. Super handy, right? Let's break it down. Il y a sound like il y a. Say with me. Il y a. What does that mean? In English, we say there is a book. There is two cats. In French, we use the same phrases for both. Il y a. Let's look at examples. Il y a un livre. There is a book. Il y a une pomme. There is an apple. Il y a deux chats. There are two cats. Il y a des enfants dans le parc. There are kids in the park. See, easy peasy. One phrase for all the situation. Bonus. Il y avait, there was, there were. Il y avait beaucoup de monde. There were a lot of people. Futur, il y aura, there will be. Il y aura une fête demain. There will be a party tomorrow. Négative, il n'y a pas, there isn't, or there aren't. Il n'y a pas de problème, there isn't a problem. Il n'y a pas de chat. There aren't any cats. Bye bye. See you for the next lesson, the next video.